Long ago, in a forest, a small get-together of animals was taking place. Mr. Rabbit said,
You know what? I can beat anyone in this forest. Nobody can beat me in a race.
All animals laughed. Mr. Elephant said, Yes, I have seen him running. I bet he can beat anyone in this forest. Suddenly, from the crowd, they hear somebody laughing. Mr. Rabbit looked. Mr. Rabbit said,
Mr. Tortoise, why are you laughing? You think you can beat me in a race?
Mr. Tortoise said,
I may not disagree with you, oh Mr. Rabbit, but I might not deny that I have no fear of competing with you.
Mr. Rabbit said,
Oh, really? So let's have a race and let's see who wins.
So one day, all the animals gathered for the race. Everybody was sure that Mr. Rabbit is gonna to be a clear-cut winner. Mr. Rabbit laughed. Mr. Tortoise said,
May the best man win.
Mr. Rabbit said proudly,
And that is me. Ha 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 ha. Now let's go, old man. I will beat you in a second.
Mr. Rabbit runs so fast that all the things on the path go for a spin. Mr. Tortoise moves slowly, but at such a pace that even snails could pass by him easily. Suddenly, Mr. Rabbit stops and looks behind. Mr. Rabbit said,
Oh my lord, that tortoise is gonna take ages to reach this point. So let's just stop here and take some rest. By the time he reaches here, I would get good rest and cover him up in a blink of second.
Mr. Rabbit sleeping, snoring. In the meanwhile, the tortoise slowly and steadily reaches the point where Mr. Rabbit is fast asleep. He very quietly tiptoes past the rabbit, and the rabbit is all ignorant of this fact. Suddenly, Mr. Rabbit gets up by the roars of the crowd cheering up the tortoise. Go, tortoise, go! Go, tortoise, go! Mr. Rabbit said,
Oh my lord, how is that possible? I kept on sleeping for so long that the tortoise is about to finish the race.
Tortoise reaches finish point. Mr. Rabbit runs and runs and runs. But to his disappointment, Mr. Tortoise just manages to finish the race before he could. Everybody cheer up Mr. Tortoise. Mr. Rabbit cries. In the story, Mr. Rabbit was overconfident that he would surely win the race because he is faster than the poor tortoise. But Mr. Rabbit underestimated the tortoise. So moral of the story is, slow and steady wins the race.